Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at Imperva database activity monitoring architecture. The components of Imperva Dam. So there are 5 components in Imperva Dam. The security operations manager, the management server, the gateway server, the agent, and the database server, which is also called the protected server. We will look at the components of Imperva Dam in little bit details. The security operations manager, which is also called as SOM, it helps to manage multi-domain dam deployments. We can have a single SOM per region where we can centrally build all the policies and reports and push those into the management servers when we have multiple MX servers in a multi-domain environment. The management server, which is also called MX server, it provides a centralized console for configuring and managing the dam environment. The gateway server receives the audit data from the agent, which is installed on the database server, and takes action as per the policy configured. The gateway server gets all the configurations from the MX server. The agent is a piece of software installed on the database server, which captures all the database activity and sends it to the gateway server for analysis. Finally, the database server, which is also called as protected server, it is where all the databases are stored. The gateway deployment mode. The Imperva gateway servers can be deployed in the following modes: bridge mode, sniffing mode, and the reverse proxy mode. The bridge mode, it's also known as inline mode. In inline mode, the traffic passes through the gateway server, whereas in the sniffing mode, the traffic does not pass through the gateway server. Instead, the traffics are copied for analysis. Reverse proxy mode, that is only for WAF. So here is the DAM architecture. We haven't covered SOM in this diagram. So we have a management server and we have 2 gateway servers. We can have multiple gateway servers for redundancy. And the piece of software, which is known as agent, that is installed on the database server. The agent basically collects all the activities from the database server and sends those traffic to the gateway servers. All audit data are stored in the gateway server, and the gateway servers are responsibility to take action based on the policies, whether it has to drop the traffics or allow the traffic. It takes the decision according to the policies. The policies and other configurations are performed on the management server, which is a centralized console. So the database server receives all the configurations from the management server. Agent monitoring as non-agent monitoring. So we have 2 kinds of monitoring. One is agent monitoring. In agent monitoring, we install a piece of software on the database server. So it monitors both local and remote traffic. If someone plugs into the database server physically and does some activities, that can be monitored with the help of agent monitoring. Whereas in a non-agent monitoring, we cannot capture the local activities. So we can use gateway server to monitor all traffic to the database server. It does not require the agent software to be installed on the database server in the non-agent monitoring. But as I said, In the non-agent monitoring, we cannot capture the local traffic. Dam appliances. Dam can be deployed in the following modes. We can deploy as hardware appliances, and we can deploy as virtual appliances, and we have also the cloud virtual appliances available. So we have the cloud template, the cloud template. I mean the cloud formation template where we can spin up the Dam servers. So to summarize, we looked at the components of Dam architecture. We looked at the Dam gateway server deployment modes. We looked at the agent monitoring as agentless monitoring. And finally, we looked at the Dam appliances. Thank you very much for watching.